Hi, this is Bailey from Iceboxauto. I'm just showing off a little thing that we've installed to this Toyota CHR. It's got an aftermarket head unit which allows for a reverse camera to be installed, but this type of camera we've installed today is an AI camera. So what it does is it has a little speaker that gets installed alongside it, so that if someone walks behind the car, even when the camera's not showing on the screen, it'll beep. And it also draws boxes around the person when they walk behind the car. So it's just been put in reverse there, and as you can see, it detects when John walks past. There's a little yellow box around them, and obviously your parking sensors are working, but then as soon as I put it back into the park, it would still beep if he walks behind it. So it's just a nice camera, to be honest, more than anything. You'll obviously be able to mess around with the lines, so you can get it all set up. It's quite a wide viewing angle on this, so you'd probably want to increase the width on it and mess around with the settings. But other than that, yeah, just a good camera that we've installed, as well as the head unit as well. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.